भाई किधर आप लोग कब आ रहे हैं? I need to find another picture. I love Pakistan. मैं हमेशा पाकिस्तानियों से मोहब्बत करूँगी. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, Zarifa here with मेरा नया video and with my friend Faisal.
Hi everyone.
So I decided to learn Urdu language from Faisal. He's from Pakistan and he knows Azerbaijani language, English and Urdu language.
And Arabic.
And Arabic also. Yeah, and Arabic. Today, I am planning to make a video without cutting the video as how it is, and I swear we didn't get ready for this video. It was just the idea came to my mind that I want to learn Urdu, and while I am learning Urdu, I want to share it with my viewers also. Okay, how can I say I love Pakistani people? I love Pakistan and I love Pakistani people.
See, you love, if you are going in grammatic, okay, you can say I like Pakistan.
Oh, okay, let's say I like Pakistan.
मुझे पाकिस्तानी, यानी if you as you are saying that I
tell me
I like Pakistan. मुझे पाकिस्तानी लोग बहुत पसंद हैं.
मुझे पाकिस्तान को बहुत
नहीं, पाकिस्तानी लोग.
Pakistani लोग, means Pakistani people.
Yeah, but लोग means people.
Okay. मुझे
पाकिस्तानी
लोग
बहुत पसंद है.
बहुत पसंद है.
And you can say awam means nation. मुझे पाकिस्तानी awam भी पसंद है. यानी awam पसंद है. यानी means पसंद means like. Yeah, I'm not teacher. Just
बहुत मुश्किल.
It's just a rough teaching, you know.
Yeah, it's too
it's not like मुझे पाकिस्तानी awam पसंद है. Awam means nation and log means log also people. Log. You say log out. Log means log out.
Okay.
Yeah, you can say log out. And log yani.
I love you Pakistani log.
नहीं, मैं पाकिस्तान. What? I love you Pakistan.
How can I say when you're coming?
आप पाकिस्तान कब आ रहे हैं? Oh sorry, पाकिस्तान. आप बाकू कब आ रहे हैं?
आप बाकू कब आ रहे हैं?
और आप लोग यानी means if you have people like 5 people, you can say for them आप लोग कब आ रहे हैं?
आप लोग कब आ रहे हैं?
आप लोग कब आ रहे हैं? I also don't know Pakistani.
And one thing I will say, like my memory is not bad. If I want to learn, I will learn. Like for example, last time when I learned, still I remember like maybe Pyari Doste. And
my memory means memory we call yaddash.
Yaddash. Yol sıkılıyordu.
Yes.
İnasirit ya inasirit sosu yaddash.
Yes, I know.
Okay. मेरी याददाश्त बहुत अच्छी है. मेरी याददाश्त बहुत अच्छी है. Let me practice for some time, then I will come back. Then I'll practice something. Okay, when we are learning a new language, for example, when I was learning Russian, also English, I was learning first the numbers till 10.
Yeah, I think you know 1, 2, 3.
No, I know, but I don't know.
Okay, 1 is 1, 2 is 2,
1, 2, 3.
3 is 3.
Okay.
4.
I can understand this.
Yeah, okay. See, 1,
2, 3,
4, 5.
It's like Russian.
Similar.
4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 means 10.
10
means 10.
Bus.
Yeah, bus also. See, bus also. Bus means enough.
Bus in other language also.
Yeah,
but what we say bus day.
Yeah,
but sometimes we also say it's bus. It's like enough.
Yeah, same here also. We say enough, you know.
Yeah.
We say bus
We
enough.
have also similar language.
And there is one bus also, you know, the transport bus. Don't forget that bus. Sorry. Bus means bus.
And Baijan kidhar ho? It's like
in Karachi we say, you know, Baijan kidhar ho?
Oh, by the way, he's from Karachi.
Yeah, I'm from Karachi. So Baijan kidhar ho?
Baijan kidhar ho? Baijan I know. Baijan is brother, but dear brother, yeah? Or
Yeah,
big
dear
brother, something
brother.
like that.
Or if you want to say in the open rough language, oh bhai kidhar hai?
Oh bhai kidhar hai?
Oh bhai kidhar hai?
Oh bhai kidhar hai?
Oh bhai kidhar hai? Yeah, see, in Karachi, they have some kind of accent. They are saying, "Oh, kidhar hai bhai? Kidhar ho? Oh, bhai jaan kidhar hai?" Yani this type of things, you know, in Karachi we say.
Baji kiteho. I think
Baji.
it's in Punjabi.
Yeah, it's in Punjabi.
Yeah.
Baji kithe ho?
बाजी किथे हो? मैं हमेशा पाकिस्तानियों से मोहब्बत करूँगी.
Yes, चल. और मैं मोहब्बत करूँगी.
Okay, करूँगी. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों का. मैं उर्दू ज़बान जल्दी सीख लूँगी. So 1, 2, 3. Allah Hafiz.
Take care.
What are you doing? أنا Arabic إنسان. Yeah, أنا Arabic.
Yeah, I'm not too good at it. Just,
बहुत मुश्किल
you can tell, it's just.
आप लोग का आ रहे हैं.
Not here.